Where the travel was never undertaken, the interest was surrendered throughout the time. The committee observes that accounting officers must adhere to the Public Finance Management Act of 2012, which requires interest to be surrendered within 7 days. And in the event of delay, the refund should be made with interest, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, here, Governor Waiguru was supposed to travel in January, but she refunded the interest in April, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as a committee, we noted that that was a malpractice and it should not be entertained, and the accounting officer should ensure that such members of the public service should be surcharged in case they don't remit or account the interest. The committee, therefore, Mr. Speaker, finds that this allegation was proved but does not amount to an impeachable offense. Allegation number 3, Mr. Speaker. Disregard of the recommendation of the County Public Service Board regarding remuneration of members of the board of Kirinyaga Investment Development Authority, payment of KIDA board members outside the IFMIS and county government payroll, and payment of interest amounting to more than 14 million paid to Mr. Francis Muriithi Kariuki. Mr. Speaker, evidence adduced before the committee, and we are talking about evidence, nothing less than evidence. Evidence adduced before the committee demonstrates that payment was made in accordance with Salary and Remuneration Commission circular on payment of allowances to board and commissions. The committee, therefore, Mr. Speaker, finds that this specific allegation was not proved and it is therefore not substantiated. Allegation number 4 on charge number 2, violation of the right to health of the people of Kirinyaga County. From the evidence adduced before the committee, it was established that there was significant systematic problems in the health sector in Kirinyaga that can be addressed by various organs, including the county assembly and the national government institutions. The committee further notes that the high turnover of health workers in Kirinyaga County and the inordinate delay in the payment of health workers who, pursuant to the governor's moratorium, resumed work. This issue should be addressed forthwith. The committee finds that this allegation was again not proved and is therefore not substantiated.